Yo, what is good with y'all boys? It's your boy Prod Rips back with another video. Today I've got a Cnfans video to show you guys. And just before we get on with the rest of the video, my Cnfans spreadsheet and my Cnfans sign up. Please sign up to Cnfans using it will be like first link in description. Sign up to Cnfans, first link in description. And yeah, let's continue with the video. So in this video I'm actually going to show you what I got, what I'm getting in my Cnfans haul. And yeah, I'll link the video like when this all arrives. I'll also make a whole review video for Cnfans, but they'll be linked down below too. Don't forget to check out my Cnfans spreadsheet. It will be linked first link in description, and also my my Cnfans sign up link will be linked in description, and sign up to that to get like some free coupons. Anyways, this is actually a reselling haul. These are the products I've actually got. I got some Tom Ford cologne, 2 of these, and all these items will actually be linked like in my spreadsheet, so definitely go check them out if you guys want any of these fragrances, because I've actually got them for $6 each. I think, yeah, these like $6 each, and then this was actually $2. Like each AirPod was actually $2, but we'll get to that. So yeah, I'll show you this one. As you can see here, this is the Tom Ford like fabulous cologne. I got 2 of those, 100 mils, which is pretty good. They'll be linked in my spreadsheet. And then also this one is the Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. I actually got 3 of those because these are really good to reselling if you guys want them. They are good to resell. And I actually got, this is $6 again. I actually got some Tom Ford. I actually got the wrong ones, but it's all good. I was meant to get like 100 mil, but I got 50 mil. So yeah, that's what it looks like right there. This is the Lost Cherry Tom Ford. Looks pretty good. Definitely worth getting. The next item that I actually got, these are the QC pictures of it. I got some Barocrat Rogue 540. These are actually $9 each, and I got like 5 of them, which is pretty good. As you can see, there's 5 of them right there, which is actually pretty good. Alright, so the last item that we show on this haul, I actually got 21 of them. They're like $2 each, and look how good they look. Like these AirPods, crazy. I got 21 of them. It'll be crazy when they arrive, and that's what they came in. But they've actually even got the serial numbers on it, as you can see right there, and like everything looks 1-to-1. It's crazy. I found this. Like I've actually got some crazy finds on my spreadsheet right here. So if you guys want to go check out my Cnfans spreadsheet, it will be first link in description. So if you go check out my Cnfans spreadsheet, and yeah, that is what I got in this haul. A bunch of cologne and some AirPods, which is actually crazy. Anyways, that'll be it for the video. I'll ship this haul out, and yeah, I'll ship this haul out, and I'll link down the whole review video when it actually arrives at my house. But yeah, it's looking like a crazy haul. I've got like 5 Barocrats, 3 Tom Ford Lost Cherries, 2 Tobacco Vanille, and then 2 fabulous colognes from Tom Ford, and then of course 21 of these, which is actually crazy. Anyways, all these items will be linked down below, so definitely go check them out and sign up using my Cnfans link to get some coupons and stuff. So yeah, see you next video. Peace.